Hello my friend, you want to make a stickman animation in FlipaClip, but you don't know how? Okay, let me show you. Let's go, open the FlipaClip. Create a new project. Give it a name and choose properties. Choose canvas size. I'll use YouTube HD canvas, but you can use other. Also, I'm using 12 FPS and default background. Now let's tap this button. Nice, but before drawing, we should customize the brush tool. Tap the brush tool here. Now, choose a brush here. For drawing a stickman, use pen brush. Now, tap this arrow button to open its settings. To draw smooth lines, change the value of stabilizer. I'll use 60%. Thickness of brush, put to 35. Close it all, and let's draw. Now, I want to share some tips with you. When you draw a stickman, first draw the head. I'm using the ruler for this. Use circle 1. Draw the head. Select your drawing with lasso. Copy it. Now you can delete it because you can paste it anywhere. For example, you can draw a stickman's body and paste the head on each frame. Awesome! Now, let's make a little animation. I'll add a new layer to make the ground. Now, we need to copy this clear frame multiple times. Nice, let's start animating. Don't forget to choose the clear layer. As I showed before, first draw the head and copy it. To draw the body, practice in drawing straight lines. Select the next frame and draw the movement. Make sure you turned on the onion skin. I'll make some punch movements. Feel free to redraw if it's going wrong. Also, you can use references if you don't have inspiration. I want to finish it fast, so I'll make an anime style punches. Nice, I made 3 frames, and I can copy them multiple times in Frame Viewer. Now let's finish the movement. As you can see, my stickman became shorter, so try to keep its size. To make it more interesting, I'll add a punch bag. Also, you can add a new layer and draw some effects. For example, I want to make Eto Dori's fists effect. It's from Anime Jujutsu Kaisen. Sorry, this AI voice can't pronounce Japanese words. Nice, we did it. Let's watch the result. Awesome, it looks pretty good. I hope you like it. Click the like button to let me know. Well, that's all for now. See you in the next videos. Bye.